Hey, Blackie. Oh, this is a cooking general rant. I want to describe today. I want to talk about a few things and get y'all update on a few things. But I looked the other day and I tried to find one of my favorite YouTubers, and I don't see their channel no more. They went away just like the rainbow. I wish they come back. I hope they help doing good, because with them, it's like no neighborhood. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to do no rhyming. I ain't no rapper, nothing like that there. But this is person. It's one of the first YouTubers that subscribed to my channel, and I wish they doing well. And everything I know they done for a reason, so it's a personal stuff. I'm not gonna put nothing out or who it is or whatever. But anyway, I want to get into cooking wise. Being able to cook and not being a chef is different. Chefs have certain abilities to do and certain things that they use. And I'm not a chef. You know what I'm saying? I just work in R&D, research and development. So I ain't no chef, nowhere nearly a chef. But other things come into play, especially when you're doing with different types of food. Like back in the days in the 70s, you know what I'm saying, when vegetarians start, I could do vegetarian recipes, but at the time I didn't really study because I'm not a chef. So I didn't really study that there. I didn't know that, some vegetarians and vegans and stuff like that, it's like milk, eggs, and all that other stuff. So when I do recipes, I have done a few vegetarian recipes or vegan, whatever. I didn't know it was a different thing between them. And I just thought like, hey, they didn't eat meat. So, that's why I cooked recipe without it. But I still didn't know that you could still, use other stuff. Like you can use some kind of grease, that made animal fat. You can use eggs that come from chickens. You can use milk that, that come from cows. And so I didn't know the difference between them. And so I just never really got into that there. And when I did do some recipes one time, that was back in the days, back in the early 80s. They ate it and they loved it, but I really messed them off because I did use an animal product, although it was no meat. But I didn't know that at the time, and I guess they must have didn't eat it at the time because they thought it was supposed to be right, but it did come out right. So, let me show y'all this rainbow I seen the other day. You're gonna love this here. This is a rainbow. I ain't never seen one like this. It's like a double rainbow. It's like one, and then there's nothing behind it, and it goes all the way up and all the way over. That is so cool. It's like a double. I ain't never seen a double rainbow like that there. And then how it just arch. It's arch right over here. Yep. All the way around, double. Alrighty. Alrighty, and getting back to it. You know, being a vegetarian, being a veganist, you know what I'm saying? That's what people do, and that's what people do, and that's why I have nothing against that. And I prefer my kids to eat a lot more vegetables, because I had my kids eat a lot of vegetables coming up. I had one son that really, all he wanted was junk food. That's it. That's what most kids want anyway, junk food. But I knew one guy that, done vegetables, but he done them in a different way than probably vegetarians and vegans. And he's no longer with us, but he lived a long and happy life. But I wonder how any vegetarians ever done this.
Yeah. Well, let me go down here and go back and see what LC does, man. He might be down here at the bottom. I'll call him Papa Jellicle when I look for him. He always give me all that. Huh?
Who you call Papa Charlie?
Yes.
Okay, y'all still on almost one channel. Y'all, a few people who watch this here channel, I really appreciate it, because, what I'm saying, this really just leads y'all to know that the Cooking General channel is on the Cooking General. So instead on YouTube, instead of typing in Outmost 01, just type in Cooking General and you will find the Cooking General channel. That's why you don't see the cooking videos over here. They'll be on the Cooking General channel. But anyway, I just post random stuff over here. Stuff for the future. Stuff, what I'm saying, for my kids and grandkids now, since I got my Cooking General channel up and running. So don't think anything about it. It's just that that's what I do now. And since I'm at the farm right now, oh, and I want to take you back. I'm gonna take y'all back to when I first show you how I look. I shouldn't be doing this here. I'm gonna show you how I look. I was a nerd, man. I don't know what I was. Anyway, before I was a general, you know what I'm saying? I just came in as a new cadet, and so this going in the video, show you a picture of how I looked when I was a little bit younger. Cooking general, man. Y'all know y'all gonna laugh, but ask somebody.